Hi guys! Let's take a look at beginner elbow grips. The points of contact will be the elbow pit. Here's what they should look like. Beginner elbow grips can be done from the side or the front of the body. Let's take a look at some tips to get the most out of this grip. Reaching the hand down towards the ground, rotating from the shoulder will help lock you into the elbow grip. It can also be done from the side of the body. Pull into the pole with the elbow while dropping the body away from the pole. Here are some common mistakes. Sticking the chin out, arching the neck, and dropping the head back to the shoulders. Arching the chest and pinching the scapula together. Always start with the scapula in neutral position and move on from there.